We are about to do this toy review for this bad monster truck that we just got. This one is called a skeleton crawler and it has the monkey grip on it.
Yep,
it's very bounceable. You see it's flexible with the springs and the shocks on there and the big tires. Sammy here is going to be the stunt devil, the driver, who's going to do all of the stunts with it. Right now we're in the playground and we're going to go over these steps over here and try to see if this monkey grip with the shocks can make it down the steps without flipping over. So let's get ready to test this bad boy out. All right, Sammy, let it go. Yay, there it goes all the way down. Okay, now the challenge is to see if it's gonna make it across this bouncy bridge without falling over. All right, Sammy, let it go. There it goes. Makes it all the way up and over and down and flips to the ground. Guys, now the challenge is, can the monster truck make it up all these stairs without falling? Let's see. All right, there's the truck. And Sammy, you ready? So let's see. We're gonna start with the first group of stairs and keep it going. And go. Whoa, we made it. Keep it going. Here's the next group of stairs. And it never lost its balance. It stayed on track. What a truck. Coming up next, the slide. Here it comes down the slide. Ready, set, go.